What's up, guys, and welcome to the Ants Football TV. This is your West Ham versus Wolves little preview, guys, just before the what's on tonight against Wolves. Obviously, Lopetegui's been given another chance to obviously save his managerial career. I'm hoping he. Well, I said that West and never should going for the no. When it came up, and I even said this to me, my uncle as well. Because obviously he's a West Ham fan, and I said he didn't do. Nothing against. But he's actually playing the team he actually got sacked from. But I don't know, guys. It's just I know people saying, well, if you do the West Ham, why you got that on? Because I like West Ham, guys, and I want them to do well. But I think they would. And I said this on the when Rude actually went to Leicester. I said Rude would actually he actually would be all right at West Ham, wouldn't he? I think he would. He actually would smash it at West Ham. He would have done. So yeah, I'm just trying to think of this because obviously this video will go straight to the highlights as well. Right. Here we are, guys. Here we are. If I can. 1 minute. Here we are, guys. There is the watch long. I'll see you then. Let me know the score. I'm going to say 2-1. Ta-ra. 1-0. Thomas Suchek. Matthias Kudas. And he won't get sacked now, will he? It's offside. So it's only 1-0. Mohamed Kudus' goal has been ruled out for offside. And it's 1-1. Bloody brilliant. Well, so West Ham are a goal disallowed offside, and now Matt Doherty scores for West Ham for Wolves. So it's VAR overturned a penalty, and now it's 1-1. Gerard, not as in Gerard. Bowen.